It means it's doing it?
Huh?
It means it's videoing?
Yep, it's videoing. Watch these people surfing like Mark. Look at him surfing, bud.
Whee! This is fun available! This is fun available!
Surfing pretty good. Did you catch it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is super fun!
Super fun, huh? There's gonna be some big rapids. You'll see in a minute.
Whee! I can touch right.
Yeah, but after the big rapids, you're not gonna be able to touch.
You want me to go in front?
Go in front because we flip. You can grab her in my boat.
Yep.
Obviously, worry about her first.
Yeah, definitely.
But I can see him.
You can swim?
And I'm on the floaty.
Huh? Because you got the new thing?
Yeah.
How much does these things cost?
$150.
150 bucks. So did you get a return the other two or not?
Yeah.
Nice.
I returned one. The other one I bought from that guy and he never responded when I said
Oh, was it the one that's way too big?
no, it was a large. It's just as large.
Was it stretched out or something?
I guess so.
Does that happen?
Yeah, man.
You shouldn't leave them stored on, should you?
No, not unless it's
Hello.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. I can do shots.
Okay.
I can do shots.
Interesting.
the rock.
There we go. Catch anything?
Two.
Nice. What's he using? A worm, bud? Worms must be the way to go. This little kid at Bear Creek was catching them on worms yesterday.
You catch them a couple times.
Yeah, I caught fish a couple times. Once was with a worm.
What?
I said once was with a worm. What do you think these people are waiting for?
A lot is good. Maybe we need to go past.
We don't need to go past?
Maybe.
I told her warm.
Whoa.
You said it was warm, huh? I don't think it's warm. How y'all doing?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Enjoy.
Warm, huh? So why'd you scream? See what Mark's doing. Can you catch it? Get it?
Woo, that was a good one, Mom.
We gotta find a good one like the other day. Nice, easy one.
Whoa. Nice.
Big rock.
Ah! I can do shots.
Uh-oh.
Even those rapids.
What?
Those rapids.
Stay with the wrong spot, didn't he? Dragon. I was trying to stay away from Mark.
Why?
I didn't want to hit him if he was playing with Mark.
Him's about to flip as his nose got gone.
Well done?
Yeah, I can do that to
What
flip.
do you gotta do?
No, I'm good. Let's practice leaning.
I can do shots.
Oh,
I can do shots.
waves being
I can do
Yeah, because I kept
shots.
seeing his hands above his head.
I can do shots.
Right.
I can do shots.
You did catch there, but you won't be able to after this one. It's a big one, bud. What do you think?
What
You
one?
ready? We're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet.
Not really. Ah!
Did you get wet? You okay?
Uh-huh.
You gotta be careful, okay? Because I gotta be able to paddle.
Ah, that's a big one.
Another one. One more, bud. Oh, another one.
Paddle,
The
paddle.
big one.
That's a big one. Yeah.
Let Mark get in front of us again.
Why?
Because if we fall, I'm gonna let him grab you. Boulder garden. Did you watch those videos? That was pretty wild.
Yeah.
But it looked like it's moving slow. Like Tyson just doesn't. get picked up by the current or something, you know?
I can a little bit.
See mommy yet?
No.
We're gonna get wet. You ready?
Hey! That's a big one.
That's a big one, wasn't it? Oh, a big one. Jackson.
I was a little bit chilled on that one.
On that rock or that rapid?
That rock.
Oh. Well, that's where Mark went there.
Whoa!
He's doing good. Let's go.
I got water in my mouth.
Water in your mouth.
On my eyes.
We gotta let Mark get in front of us again.
Mom,
Huh?
we might quit.
We're not gonna flip. Here, I'll pull over this Eddie and wait for you.
What's an Eddie?
Eddie is when the water stops moving. See how it gets slow over here?
Why don't you go ahead and down?
Huh? Okay.
Pull me to.
Is this where we're hanging out the other day? This is a big one, bud. That's a big one. You ready?
Ready!
Yay! Ready?
Ready.
Oh, it's a big one. Do we gonna make it?
It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Father!
You just gotta keep paddling.
I got soaking wet on that one.
Yeah. You notice I just keep paddling. At first the other day, I get scared occasionally. But man, it really levels me.
I can touch right here.
Yeah, you can. Oh, crap.
Oh, that's cool. Big.
Mark in front of us.
Mom,
Yeah.
you were so away.
So you gonna do this again with Daddy, or you're gonna go shopping with Mommy?
Maybe. Maybe. Maybe let's get to the crazy part. Maybe let's get to the crazy part. I
You like the
said.
crazy part?
I mean, let's get any more crazy.
More crazy.
I know it. It's we can go again one day.
Yeah.
This is just so fun.
So Katie had to drive up to Evergreen?
Yeah, she did.
Today?
Yeah.
That sucks that they didn't tell you that, but did they know about that until she got up there?
Well,
That is a little path.
Huh?
the nurses gonna be a spot.
Right.
They didn't expect us to tell them.
Right.
This is too fun.
Too fun.
How's the water feel?
Good.
It's like
Right. Is that Mommy?
no, look, you see that fish?
No?
Fish just jumped.
Really? I can't see very far distance-wise with these things.
Whoa. Mom. A little bit. I think Mom. Go in front of us, Monkey Monks. That's how the monk catches me.